everyone, today I will be showing to you guys the items that we bought in Temu. So this is not a sponsored video. So I just want to share what we bought in Temu because we save a lot of money when we purchase it, and their shipping is very fast also. Within a week my package arrived, and I used also the code that I found in one of the YouTuber. I just forgot her name. So I able to get a discount aside from the promotion that when you spend $80 you will get $20 credit. So I got my $20 credit. So some of the items are decoration for our daughter's 7th birthday. So she's turning 7. So we're so excited about that. So the first time that we host a party for her is during her first birthday, and the rest of her birthday celebration is just a simple birthday. But since now she's turning 7, we want to give her a party that she wants. So she asked for a unicorn theme party. So I compare first the price in other store from Amazon, Walmart, and other online store, and I got the best deal in Temu. I also bought her unicorn dress in Temu, so it's so nice. It arrived in a nice condition. I just did some stitching because it's a little bit loose to her, and the rest is really good. So let's start with the unboxing. So in the first package that arrived, I got this unicorn stuffed toy. So it's on clearance also when I bought this. I got 2 of that because my little one loves unicorn. And then this one also is a unicorn. So this is the pink one. So I got yellow and pink. And then I got also this is the 6 pieces unicorn balloons. So we got on helium also. We bought it in Walmart. And then this one is a balloon also. Different style. So there's a unicorn. The smiley unicorn. So we got it in Temu also. And then I got some foil curtain. I got 3 of this, and then some balloons that have a tape already, and this is another balloon, then another foil curtains. I got 3 of this. And then I got her unicorn headband. It's so cute. She loved pink and then I received this gift card promotion. So that's it in the first bag. And then in the second bag, I bought some giveaway for the kids because some of her classmates will be here also. So we did not rent a place. I will be the one who will decorate the house. So this bag, the total is $117.53, and then I use a promo code of make239 that I found in one of the YouTuber that posted her Temu haul. So I got $25 discount on that, and because my subtotal after using the coupon is $92.53, there is a promotion when I order this that you will get a $20 credit that you can use when you purchase again in Temu. So I got $20. This one. So after that, so my total here is $94.57 less the $20 reward. So my final cost for this bag is $74.57. And I will pop up also in the screen the price of this item. So this is the bag. Because most kids, they love Pop-It. So I decided to buy some of the Pop-It bag. And there's a freebies that I got. I got one freebie. So this is what the Pop-It looked like. And then there is I think I'll open one of this so that you can see it, guys. I will open the one for my daughter. There is a string already that you can use, so you just need to put it in here. This one, the whole one in each. And then the kid can use it as a bag, and then they can adjust also. This bag is adjustable, and I love how thick this holder. So it's so cute and it really pops. And that is easy to pop. So it's so cute. I'm gonna put it back here. So I got two. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the freebie that I got. I got few of this. I got one of this, and the other one I bought it. It's the same thing also. You can put a the holder is inside, and you just need to hook it in the side. How many I got? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a freebie. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I got this one. I bought it also. Same thing. There's a holder inside. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Got 21, 22, 23. 24, 25. I got 26 Pop-It bag, and it's so cute. It's well packed. Got 26 of this. And then for the boys, just a box been then because of I think the shipping. So I got few of this dinosaur egg. I'm using Funny Novel. I got 1, 2, 3. I got 5 of it. So this one, the packaging, I don't like the packaging, but the egg itself is cute inside. I got 5 of this, and then I got also some of the pen. So this is so cute. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pen. They have different style. There's a unicorn, there's a dino, there's a paw. In one of the bag, I bought also a pen, but my daughter opened it already because she took some of the pen on it. But I love what I got. So here are the items that I bought in Dollar Tree. So I got some foam mounting tape for the balloon that I will tape in the wall. I got some self-adhesive hook. This one I got also a latex balloon. It's so hard to find a purple balloon in Dollar Tree now. I got this 10 balloon clip pins a balloon. Then this one is 25 latex balloons also. I got some self-adhesive hook. I got some ribbon for the balloons that we will blow with the helium. Our daughter is the one who picked the color of the ribbon. And then I got this balloon arc strip. I need a lot of that. And then in the other side, so this tissue holder, I bought this in Dollar Tree. So the other side is for the tissue. And then this one is for the utensils. So I got one pack of white spoon. And then there is a mix already of spoon, fork, and knife, plastic knife that I bought in Dollar Tree. I got few, and then some of the plastic tongs. And then I got a tumbler cup also. It's 14 cups that I bought in Dollar Tree. I got 5 set of that. And then I got a gift bag. So it's $1.25 for 3 pieces. We will put some snacks in the gift bag that our little one will bring in the school, because some of her classmates, they can't come over. And then I got this happy birthday decor also in Dollar Tree. I got this hanging decoration also. And then this one, I bought this in Walmart, layers of fun. So party, this is 6.67 feet. So it's long. I got 2 of this. I bought this, I think it's $3. And then I got this also, the table cover is $1 in Walmart. It's on clearance. I got 3 of this. So this is 54 by 84 inches. So it's long already. And then this one, I got this in Walmart. And then we got also some popcorn bags. So we bought this in Dollar Tree. So I got 3 pack of this. It's 8 bag in each pack. And then I got this happy birthday unicorn bag in Dollar Tree. It's $1.25 each. I got some unicorn tissue I bought this in Walmart. And then this one, I got this in Dollar Tree. I got 2 for the cake. And for the kids, they're gonna have a unicorn paper plate that I bought in Walmart. So it's on clearance also when I bought that. And then I have this napkin from Dollar Tree. I got some foam trays that I bought in Dollar Tree, so that they can really separate the food if there is some fried. They can put in the other corner, and then they can put also the sweet stuff in the other corner. That's not gonna mix with the other foods. And then I have some bowl also for the soup. I got 3 of this. And then I got some tray. This is pieces for the chips. And then this is some snacks that I bought in Walmart that I will put in the bag that I bought in Dollar Tree. So each snacks have, this one is 30 packs. So I bought 3 of these big bags and then 3 of this small. There's 12 treats in every box. And I got this one also for our little one's birthday. And then I got some juice, this orange juice that I will include to the snack bag that our little one will bring to the school for her classmates. So they are 27 in total. So I need to make sure that everyone have the same equal portion of the snacks. So thank you so much guys for watching and have a blessing everyone.